Excited, will AI take our jobs? This question is everywhere, sparking debates, fears, and excitement. Some say AI is the future, while others worry it's the end of human work as we know it. But what's the truth? Will engineers, people who design, build, and innovate, be replaced by artificial intelligence? Let's take a step back. Throughout history, automation has always been met with fear. When machines replaced manual labor during the Industrial Revolution, people panicked. When computers became mainstream, many thought they'd eliminate jobs. But what happened? Did humans become obsolete? No. Instead, new jobs emerged. Jobs that required creativity, problem-solving, and decision-making. And today, AI is the next evolution of this trend. AI is incredibly powerful at handling repetitive, data-driven tasks. It can analyze massive datasets in seconds, run simulations faster than any human, and even generate multiple design options. But here's the thing. AI lacks creativity, intuition, and real-world problem-solving. AI doesn't think like us. So, will AI take engineers' jobs? The answer is no, but engineers who use AI will replace those who don't. Embrace AI, it's here to help, not take over. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.